Hey guys, today I will show you how to lock target in Monster Hunter World. First, open the in-game menu and go to System. From there, head to Options, then move to Camera Settings on the third tab. Use your scroll wheel to go to the next page until you find Camera Style. Here you will see three options. Target camera snaps the camera toward the monster only when you press the camera reset button. It does not constantly track the monster. Focus camera permanently follows the locked monster, keeping it centered at all times. Do not focus on target disables automatic camera tracking, but still lets you snap the camera toward the monster manually. In my experience, do not focus on target works best on PC for full camera control, while target camera is better on console since it helps with controller movement. Once you are in a hunt and a large monster is nearby, press the lock on button. On PC, the default key is Q unless you have rebounded. After locking on, tapping the camera reset button will snap your view toward the monster instead of forcing constant tracking. You can also cycle between monsters if more than one large monster is nearby. Quick tip, set target settings to track large monsters only. This prevents the camera from locking onto small creatures and keeps fights much cleaner. And that is how to lock target in Monster Hunter World. Thank you so much for watching.